Hey guys, Vlogging Gabriel 20 here. This is my Model train a friend got me. It's really cool. That's steam engine. 638. Kinda cool, I love it. It's awesome. These are trees. 4 apple trees, that's cool. I got this from a friend, so open on. Here's a train car, so cool. Oh, that one is cool right there, look. It's an HR scale fin, that's cool. Oh, what's that? Oh, I know what that is. Oh, it's like a bridge. That's cool. It's a 17-piece bridge. That's cool. I love it. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Sorry, I was just looking. That's funny. 7-Up. It's a bottling plant. That's cool. I love my gift. Okay, that's just, okay, I see what that is. That's like a switch. That's how you move the trains, I think. Oh, I got something else. Hang on. I just need to be very careful because these are very fragile. Mailbox, that's cool. We'll put that in here. So that's cool. Yep. Let's put these stuff back in the box so that way it doesn't get broken, you know. Ain't that cool? I love the gift. Kinda cool. Sorry, I'm just moving my stuff back in there. I got one more thing to show you guys real quick. So, hang on. Ain't that cool? That's cool. It's an HL scale layout thing. We have to put it back in the box carefully because that's okay. Make sure you get, hang on, it's perfect. No, it's perfect right there. Bag here. Hang on. I just don't want it to get broke, that's all. Careful. Okay. Here. I'm gonna have to put this in a good spot that way. I don't want it to get broke, you know. Put it right here for now on the table. And this will go on the table, so. It's a safe table where I put my Model train stuff on, so there's clothes on here, but that's okay. So, alright. I got one more thing to show you guys, so, and that's this thing right here. Look. Train track stuff. Okay. Hang on, I'm just moving it around real quick. Ain't that cool? I love it. Wow, thank you. This is from a friend, so. What's this? Oh, that's just a piece of paper. Look at the tracks, aren't they cool? How cool. Hang on. Yep, there's tracks in here. I got this from a friend, so. Alright. That's all. Hang on. Hang on, let me go over here for a minute. Oh, sorry, I almost tripped. Ain't that cool? I love it. The number on this fin is 638, so I'm not going to take it out right now because I don't want it to break, so thank you guys for watching today's vlog. Upcoming vlogs will be the Armada Fair, Richmond Parade. We'll see, I'll think about it, but that's cool. I love the gift. I really love it. That's awesome. So I hope you guys saw the fireworks in the last vlog. That was cool. But alright, I'm gonna let you guys go for now. This was for my friends, so cool. Alright, I'll catch you guys later. Thank you for watching and bye.